Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So namhlanje we are doing ama spirit animals as per your zodiac sign. So I'm not gonna do it according to ama earth sign, ama air sign, ama water sign. We're just gonna go chronologically down a list of ama zodiacs. So up first, let's do Aries. So ngiphethe ama notes ami nje lana so that I don't lose track. Aries, Nina, you guys, spirit animal senu. Remember, guys, sibheka tropical astrology, sibheka sidereal astrology, and sibheka Vedic astrology. So depending on le astrology suke siyibheka spirit animal siyashintsha, so abanye abantu they'll have two, abanye abantu, not abanye abantu, but amanye ama-zodiacs are gonna have two, amanye are gonna have three. So la ku-Aries, as you can see, awu-three kuyi-falcon, i-tiger ne-cheetah. So kahle kahle wena as an Aries, what this says about you is that uyi-visionary, you have a strong leadership, and as well as ukuthi nje bold. I know typically in Aries in tropical astrology is usually symbolized by the ram, but abantu abaningi esikhathini esiningi bajwayele ukuyiphikisa ukuthi bona they are not like that, they are not stubborn, they are not as what is portrayed for i-sign yabo. So I thought it would be really interesting ukuthi-ke ngibanikeze this different perspective. So as i-cheetah, you are someone who moves with speed, and you are focused, so i-focus yakho is very sharp. So i-cheetah is considered to be the ultimate representation for i-energy yenu, because Nina, you guys are quick when it comes to taking action. Like i-cheetah, you guys need demand freedom, and you cannot be tamed, as iculo la Miley Cyrus. So it's like the way that you guys lock into chasing after a goal is the same way that a cheetah locks into chasing their prey. It gives the same energy. So that's why this is such a fitting spirit animal. So niyakwazi ukuthi-ke nibonise determination, and you guys, you are not quick to give up. So niyayimela into yenu up until you get what you want. And then i-falcon or i-hawk, it represents insight le eninayo, as well as taking action on those insights that you guys have. So it also represents just intellectual yenu. You guys are forward thinking. That's such a nice description. Yabona, and most Aries that I know, mabebheka igaze yakhona lawo mehla khona, they are so intense. There's so much intensity behind amehlo abo. So it's so fitting ukuthi-ke bafanise ne-falcon or ne-hawk. So you guys are able to set clear goals. You guys are really good with seeing the bigger picture. And then speed senu nje siya-reflecta-ke nanokuthi ni-impulsive kanjani, and just the passionate nature of you guys being a fire sign. So yiyo lento enenza ukuthi nikwazi ukuthi nisize ama-opportunities mangabe niwabona, anilali endleleni, and we love that about you guys. So i-tiger, it represents i-courage yenu ne-independence yenu. So yabona lana, it shows your fierceness, it shows your independent nature, it shows courageous nature yenu as ama Aries. You guys are natural leaders, you guys act on instinct, and yabona, as much as a tiger is self-reliant, nani ni kanjalo. So, and again, you guys are bold, and then unapologetic about how you guys approach life. And just looking at amanye ama key traits of these animals, your spirit animals, you guys are fearless. You guys are fearless. So it shows why you are represented by ilwane that are typically known as predators. You guys are pioneers. You guys are warriors. You are willing to take risks, and nama challenges, you guys are willing to face them head on, just like the ram. So again, ni impulsive. I remember I did on TikTok a reading about some areas abantu abaningi, they were just like, I mean, ngikho njena, I'm not impulsive, I'm the most responsible person you'll ever meet. Yeah. So yabona i-fast movement, when you are very quick to take action, you are not giving yourself enough time sometimes to think things through. So ukuba responsible and not giving yourself enough time to think things through, to strategize, it's giving impulsive. So yeah, you guys need a tendency of making split decisions, and yeah, okay, and you guys are hunters. You don't wait ukuthi kube khona umuntu ozonikeza i-direction noma kube khona umuntu ozonleader, and it reflects just this energy of you guys being go-getters. Taurus, ninokwenu akushintshe. It's because of that stubborn streak. It's because of ukuthi ni steadfast, anishenxe, and I love that. Angisho ukuthi ke it doesn't change because I'm trying to criticize you. I love ukuthi anishenxe. I love ukuthi you guys don't back down. I love that it's not easy ukuthi ke umuntu anisuse kulento enisuke seniyitshelile ukuthi nizoyenza. Plus nina esikhathini esiningi i-energy yenu is always giving reliable. So ubani kongakwatela leyo nto? Your spirit animal is the bear. Sonke ke salazi ibheli ukuthi alidlali kanjalo, and the bull. So it represents i-strength senu, i-stability senu, as well as nje ukuthi ni grounded in nature. Plus ibhela ngithi lithanda nanokulala. Comfort, luxury, laid up, Taurus. So yabona, you guys ni steadfast, ni reliable, much like the bull. Yabona, you guys prefer calm, ni prefer stability, ni prefer routine. It's in the zodiac, you guys are considered the anchor of the zodiac because of just how dependable and how loyal you guys are. So kodwa ke kuyavela nokuthi ni stubborn, and niyakwazi futhi ukuyimela into yenu. Enye into ehlula amanye ama-signs le ukuthi ke basuseka kalula in their path, in their direction. Bayashesha nje ukuthi ke baphazamiseke ey'ntweni abazenzayo nezinto ezibamele. Not you guys, nina njani udlalo loyo mdlalo. So you guys are bullheaded, but if that's the nature of it, Taurus, and it just shows ukuthi ke niyakwazi ukuthi niyimele into yenu, ni persistent, ni focused kuma goals enu. Sometimes ke nibuye nihluphe because nibuye ningazwani ne-change, nibuye ningazwani nokushintsha kwesimo, but also i-loyalty injalo. I-loyalty iba loyal even noma izinto zingashintshi noma zingayiphambili noma zingayinjani. That's the reason why sometimes kuyaye kube nalento lena yokuthi ke you can't have blind loyalty. Alright, so njengoba ngishilo, because you guys are ruled by Venus, Aries is ruled by Mars, if I'm not mistaken. So you guys are ruled by Venus. So it represents uthando, just i-appreciation yenu for ama-physical features enu nawabanye abantu, le love of comfort eninayo. Niyakuthanda nje ukuthi ke ni-indulge in izinto, ni strong, and ke ni fertile. So yabona, historically nje in some cultures i-bull represent strength, fertility, abundance, and nokuthi nje ukuba secure nokwakha impilo enomnotho. So ibhele lana livela ngokuthi ke it's almost as if it represents your shadow, so your shadow side. It's more le side leli subconscious noma le side elingaphakathi kwenu, that personality yenu, it's represented by the bear. So ibonisa nje just this security that you guys have within yourselves and this quiet power that you guys exude. So that's nice. Ni protective, and then niyakwazi ukuthi ni create an environment secure for nina, ingane zenu nabanye nje abantu. It's giving that mama bear energy, yabona yokuprotect ama-cubs akhe. So you guys are fiercely protective of abantu enibathandayo, of ikhaya lenu, of izinto zenu, and thandi nje ukuthi umuntu adlalele kalula. ey'ntweni zenu that you guys hold dear. You have a love of comfort and a love of rest. Remember, ibhele alinqeni ukulala iy'nyanga, so liya-hibernate. I-rest nje ibhele lithatha serious njengani. So niyakuthanda nje ukuthi nirelax endaweni e-comfortable, e-cozy nje, yabona. That's why you guys you love that type of environment. So you guys have a quiet power ne-stability. Ibhele kahle kahle li-representa ukuthula, ukunganyakaziseki kalula, amandla, rather than ukuthi libe nomsindo. Liba nomsindo mangabe selidinga ukuthi-ke libe nomsindo, yabona. I-energy e-aggressive liletha uma ngabe selibona ukuthi there's a threat, otherwise ibhele nje liyayithulela. So also kuyabonisa ukuthi you guys are also good at ukwenza i-introspection, and ibhele it's like ilinikeza i-direction yokuthi nibozipha isikhathi to be introspective, ningathatha ama-impulsive decisions, particularly when it comes to spending. So yabona, and it's showing ukuthi futhi le mental stability eninaso, nokwazi nje ukuthi-ke nibe patient ngesimo. Gemini, sesingani-ke manje. So nina, you guys are represented by the deer, inyamazane, i-butterfly, ne-fox. Konje yini i-fox? Sengikhohlwe ukuthi-ke yini i-fox ngesiZulu. But i-representa your ability to ukuthi ni-reflect, ni abantu who are adaptable, ile curiosity eninayo, and nje nanokuthi-ke you guys akubi easy ukuthi-ke impilo inicindezele in way down because of how light you guys are able to be. But I guess angeke uze ukwazi ukuthi-ke ube umuntu ocindezelwe yisimo or izinto ezenzakalayo and then ube as curious as what you guys are. So deer, it just represents lokuba ama-socialite enu, nanokuthi nibe abantu who are quick. You are quick on your feet. Nicabanga into manje nina, nje you guys are very agile mentally. So yabona, inyamazane noma deer in Native American tradition, it's a totem for ukuba youthfully, ukuba nengqondo ehlale ifuna impendulo, ingqondo ehlale idinga ulwazi, yabona. Njengengqondo yengane, ingane ihlala ibuza izinto, ifuna ukwazi ukuthi why ukuthi kwenzeka kanje na kanje. Sometimes ingane ibuza izinto izikwenza ubona ukuthi yazi nami bengingazi ukuthi why lento iyenzeka kanje, but because usufuna ukumnikeza impendulo, you end up looking into something, usuthola knowledge kanjalo. So nina, you guys give that energy, and it's light-hearted, it's lovely, and you guys are charming also, so that's nice. Again, ni agility, ni adaptable. So remember, idiye ingadla uyitholidla manje sithe chu yashona le yabaleka. So ayithatha isikhathi ukuthi ijump from one thing to the next, and that's good. You are quick to adapt. Mangabe isimo se-right, you are grazing. Mangabe isimo kuvela i-danger or a threat, you fast, you are attentive, and you are quick to take decisions. So I like that energy. I like it a lot. So but-ke kuyo yonke into eniyenzayo aniyenzi ngokuthi-ke ni-restless noma anihlaliseki. Well, some of you guys are like that, but you are able to move around with grace. It's seamless indlela that you guys are able to maneuver through situations, through social settings. You can talk to this one, niphinde nikhulume nalo, nikhulume nomuntu ona 18, yokhuluma nomuntu ona 10, khulume nomuntu ona 50, nikhulume nomuntu ona 35. You guys are always able to adapt and engage nalo muntu enisuke nikhuluma naye. So it shows futhi-ke ukuthi you guys are really alert. It speaks to mental awareness. And yabona lana, this is why you guys are represented by Mercury, because Mercury represents the intellect and the communication, throat chakra. So it makes absolute sense why you guys are like this, why you show up like this in the world. And then ni gently futhi, I don't know ama-Gemini is to ukuthi abe abantu ekuthiwa ba-aggressive. Usuke umenzini ngempela. So ni compassionate even in communication yenu, but niyakwazi futhi ukuthi nishintshe isimo, maybe throw in ama-jokes here and there just to lighten up the energy. But it speaks to this energy yenu of being an air sign. So ni versatile in nature, ni good with transformer with the times. You are able to move between topics, especially in social circles. Metamorphosis is something that you guys are constantly doing. You are constantly evolving, just like Aries. So yeah, that's nice about you. It's because you guys nihlale nifuna knowledge ngaso sonke isikhathi, and you guys love having new experiences. So you don't get stuck in one level for too long. That's beautiful. And the butterfly ibonisa nje just your desire to keep izinto light and joyful. And you guys are known for jumping from one idea to the next, from one project to the next. So how the fox represents you guys is that iveza intelligence yenu, iveza iwit yenu, iveza ukuba adaptable kwenu. So it mirrors the influence of the planet Mercury. As I said before, this cleverness, this wit yenu, ni quick-witted, and that's the in Leyo, it's assigned to vele ama-Geminis. You guys are so resourceful. You guys ni good to navigate situations. I don't know of a Gemini that's stuck. Ushkuti, that's a Gemini that may have experienced early life traumas, or maybe came into this world with heavy past life karma. Otherwise nje anisibo nina abantu ekufanele ngabe nicindezeleka kalula by izimo, irregardless of ukuthi ke nisuke nibhekane nani. Cancers, isikhathi sethu ke manje, as usual, obviously the crab, the wolf and the rabbit. Why? Okay, i-crab siyayazi ke vele, and we understand why esikhathini esiningi sihlale sifaniswa ne-crab, but the wolf and the rabbit, let's dive in. So it emphasizes nje le loyalty lethi nesinayo. Siyabantu abanothando, siyabantu abanempatho, siyabantu abanemfudumalo, and siyabantu who are able to carry ama-emotions ethu. We have emotional intelligence, we have emotional depth. And I'm not just saying this ngoba nami ngiyi-Cancer. I'm saying this because it's the truth, okay? So a primary spirit animal set, of course, it is the crab. And futhi ke it's a symbol of Cancer. So it shows nje ukuthi ke apparently Tina, we have a sideways approach to impilo. So, or to ama-problems ethu, asibheki izinto head on, sinendlela yethu yokuyi-approacha, and futhi we have this need yokuthi ke siyi-protect. That's why si-symbolize a crab, because the crab has a protective shell. So we are about protection, we are about security, and the crab angithi yaziwa with how it's protective, and the way njengakhona with ukunakekela ikhaya lalo. So that's why Tina, we are viewed as abantu who are domestic, as abantu who are nurturing, and we are invested in creating i-safety, ikhaya safe haven for not only us but nabantu esibathandayo kakhulu. So and we have this vulnerability about us, but also that's why esikhathini esiningi you find ukuthi ke the older we become, the more defensive we get. So it's yabona, it's typical of us. It's almost like a alligator. I'm surprised why bengazange bafaki alligator instead of the wolf, because we have a hard top, a hard shell, but we have a soft underbelly. So leyo nto leyo nje it just shows ukuthi ke we are very protective of sensitivity yethu, as well as just our lengaphakathi lethu leli eli-emotional, lapho esifike sigcine khona yonke into le ebalulekile kithi. We are very resilient, siyakwazi thina ukubekezela sisimele isimo, ngisho noma kuthiwa sinzima kanjani siyakwazi ukuthi siwaprocess ama-emotions, and that leyo nto leyo yiyo esenza ukuthi sikwazi ukuthi siwa-alchemize ama-emotions nama-situations. So if wena uyi-cancer engakakwazi ukuthi ithathe isimo esinzima and usebenzise for your own good or for your greater good, noma ukuthi kube i-stepping stool to elevate you to the next level, you need to learn to process ama-emotions akho. Ungavuma ama-emotions akho akucontrole, ungavuma ama-emotions akho kube yiwo akuthathela ama-decisions. So yabona nje singasho ukuthi-ke we are emotionally flexible, we are able to navigate izimo ezi-toxic nezimo nje ezinzima. And then unogwaja-ke, which is our secondary spirit animal. So leyo nto it just represents ukuba gentle kwethu, lento yethu yokuba intuitive, thina si-psychic, but that's because we are controlled by the moon, and the moon ikwenza ube psychic, ikwenza ube intuitive nje. I-connection between wena and the divine, I wouldn't say it's seamless, but it's easier for thina ama-water signs nje, Cancer, Scorpio and Pisces, particularly Pisces, but nathi as ama-Cancerians. So and then nje again it speaks to this nature of ours yokuba sensitive. So siyashesha-ke sometimes ukuthi sithuswe yizinto. We are not the most courageous people, but ungahlala ungabi courageous but ube brave. You just have to look at the spelling of these two words, not the spelling but the description. So lento yethu yokuthi-ke we have a soft underbelly, it just reflects ukuthi-ke si-sensitive kangakanani la ngaphansi, ingaphakathi lethu li-very emotional. So siyakwazi ukuthi si-survive both on water and on land. Kuyasho ukuthi si-versatile in terms of ama-environments where we are able to survive. So siyakwazi nje ukuthi-ke sinavigate izinto ey'ningi, and I feel like thina as ama-cancers we are not given the credit we deserve in terms of how we move about in the world, especially as a sign that is so highly sensitive. We can be ruthless, and abantu esikhathini esiningi they like to act as if thina we are crybabies. A crybaby is someone who doesn't know how to handle their emotions, and that doesn't apply to us. Thina siyabantu who are able to scope i-environment esisuke sikuyo, we scope ama-surroundings ethu. So we just like to know ukuthi-ke on all angles what are we dealing with. We don't like to enter into ama-situations blindly. So leyo nto leyo abanye abantu they view it as ukuthi thina we are overly cautious, and they like to say that as if it's a bad thing. And yabona, as much as siyabantu who naturally take on i-role yokuba umuntu onakekelayo, yomuntu onakekela kakhulu umndeni wakhe nabantu nje obathandayo, we are also viewed as abantu abayibalekelayo i-conflict. But thina abantu abasi-understand ukuthi once sekufike lapho esesithi no more, no more, and there is nothing you can do about it. Asinayo thina inhliziyo yokudlulisa izinto kalula, and yiyo into abantu that they don't understand. And once balahlekelwa yithi, it becomes extremely difficult for bona ukuthi basivale leso sikhala leso esisuke sishintshile. So beware. The wolf. So i-wolf yona ibonisa nje just how loyal we are. Sometimes we are loyal to a fault, I will admit that. And nje nalama instincts esinawo thina siyakwazi ukuthi sisense isimo mangabe sishintsha, even though abanye abantu they are caught up and lost in whatever lento abayenzayo. Siyakwazi thina ukuthi senze into, but also sibone ukuthi environment iyashintsha. It's no longer safe ukuba la. Okay, ku-safe ukuba lana. Siyakwazi ukusenza the change in the air. So leyo nto leyo isenza ukuthi sikwazi ukuthi to preempt, preempt ukuthi sheshe sibone uma ngabe into ingeke ize ihambe kahle going forward or in the long run, uma ngabe sekufanele ukuthi mhlawumpe sishintshe noma move away. Yabona thina we love having strong bonds with abantu, and we have this deep commitment. I think that's why abantu abangakujwayele ukuba nomuntu omthanda ngokweqiniso, ukuba nomuntu who is loyal to them, ukuba nomuntu ofudumele njengathi, onemfudumalo njengathi, bagcine bebona ngazathi we are incapable of having boundaries. Bayibone ngazathi they can keep taking advantage, keep taking from us and giving nothing back. Bangaboni ukuthi ke kuzofika lapho esizothi cut, and when it's cut, it's cut. Phelile nje for wena, it's a wrap on you. Boop. So I think that's the part abantu that they struggle to reconcile with us, ukuthi besacabanga ukuthi uzolokenza ama-small gestures just to get you back, but ngeke ngeke kusalunga. Ezinye izinto nje once ususithethile, sesibonile ukuthi wena awukho loyal, wena awukho committed kithi, wena i-security yethu awuyithathi serious, and awusiye umuntu o-reliable, siyakukhatha nje. And we are very ruthless at doing that. Leos, singani manje. So obviously the Leo, ibhubesi, Leo, lion, it makes so much sense. And it's a symbol of pride leni nayo, isibindi lesinaso, eninaso, plus nje nalento eninayo le energy, this aura that you guys have, the way enikwazi ukuthi ke ni shine in any environment. Umuntu akakwazi ukunziba nina ekuthe akakubonanga, not with the Leo, not a chance. So that's why we spirit animal senu lesi, and it just kuyaveza ukuthi ke at your core niyabantu abane strength, niyabantu abanamandla, niyabantu abangagive up kalula, ninesibindi, and you guys are also natural leaders. So and ninalento lena of, yabona, just as the lion is the king of the jungle, nani ninayo leyo authority, ninayo leyo presence leyo. And remember, you guys are the only sign that is ruled by the sun. Cancer is the only sign that's ruled by the moon. Leo is the only sign that's ruled by the sun. That's why you guys shine even noma ningazami ngisho ukuzama. So yabona izinto zenu ziyaveza this inner power that you guys have. Ninale le energy yobukhosi, i-energy of royalty. Because of influence yelanga, ninale mfudumalo, nine charisma, abanye bane dramatic flair. But I remember again reading engayenza about some Leos on TikTok, abantu but oh mina, I don't like attention, ini. But how can you shine like the sun and not be a natural attention grabber? I think sometimes fanele sibone ezinye izinto mangabe sizenza when they are rooted from a place of trauma, from a background yakho where you were overly taught ukuthi ke be humble, noma into ingasahambiselani ne-nature yakho, but you want to keep on holding on to it. But again, kahle i-Leo, i-constellation yenu ihambiselana nale ibhubesi, Nemean lion. So that's a formidable beast. Isymbolize nje ukuthi niyakwazi ukuphokophela, niyakwazi ukuyimela into yenu, isibindi senu, niyakwazi nje ukuthi ni overcome ama-challenges nama-obstacles. Love that. So again, ibhubesi liyi-symbol of royalty, liyi-symbol of power. So nani naturally you bring that energy to any environment enisuke nikuyo, even noma kuthiwa wena ukhula mhlambe une self doubt, awuyiboni kahle ukuthi ithini i-energy yakho, but abantu they treat you like that. Abantu they view you as a threat, even noma kuthiwa wena you are not trying to threaten them, you are not trying to threaten i-position yabo, and it's because of this energy. Ni confident, nine authority, nje you guys are able to command attention without even trying. You are protective of ama loved ones zenu, you guys are generous. So makukhona ningangipha kona. Yeah, and This is so nice ukuthi-ke you guys izinto zenu they trace back to ama-ancient Egyptians or even ancient Babylonians with regards to protection, because nabo they viewed ilanga as a protection. And yabona kune-series engisafuna ukuyenza lana about umhlaba, because i-continent yabona manje I'm moving away from le nto engifuna ukuyikhuluma, but-ke ama-continents asinawo ama-continents amaningi as lokhu esiboniswa khona on the map. If you go on the map, because i-continent is a piece of land ehlukaniswe amanzi, so yabona ma ungaya ku-map uzobona ukuthi there are only 3 continents, and it goes back to le nto esho ebhayibhelini about Ham, Shem and uJapheth. So but I'll do that. So nje ukuthi ngikhunjuzwa yilento yama ancient Egyptians and Babylonians. So you'll see ukuthi ke on the map iAfrica all the way to lapho ekubizwa khona ngeMiddle East ukuthi kuyindawo ehlangene. Kuyindawo eyodwa ehlangene. So and i-Europe iyindawo eyi-1, so i-Asia neyo-Europe ayikho into ehlukanisa loyo mhlaba loyo. It's just that bakwenze ama-colors ahlukile on the map. So I've done a brief history on TikTok if you are interested in going to watch that, but I'm shifting away from lento lena esiyenzayo la. So anyway nje guys, be brave, be courageous. Ni understand ukuthi when you are showing up in that energy as a Leo, you are being your natural and you are being your true self. Uma ngaba uyi-understand kahle kahle ukuthi wena fanele ube njani out there in the world, hamba uye ku National Geographic ufike ubuka ibhubesi ukuthi liphethe kanjani, ufike ubuka ibhubesi ama-characteristics ebhubesi, ulibone ukuthi ngisho lihlalele lapha it carries this majestic energy ekwenza ukuthi ulibone ukuthi